Hi guys, so today we're going to discuss question and answers of the 12th chapter of English for class 7th, that is कबीर. So आप लोगों ने हिंदी में कबीर के दोहे पढ़े होंगे या आप लोग आगे जाके पढ़ोगे. So this the same कबीर we're going to talk about. So कबीर जो थे, he was an intellectual. He believed in God but not in a particular religion. And he said some things that offended people but were actually right. So the people जो हैं वो they took him to the king and the king ordered him to die through different ways we'll discuss. So now that I've given you a gist of the chapter, we are going to move on to answering the questions. First question is, what do Kabir's songs and poems tell us? So Kabir's songs and poems tell us that God is everywhere. कबीर ने जितने भी गाने लिखे वो भगवान से रिलेटेड थे, लाइफ से रिलेटेड थे, और इन गानों के थ्रू उन्होंने पोर्ट्रे किया कि भगवान हर जगह है. Second question is, why were Hindus and Muslims angry with Kabir? So both Hindu and Muslims were angry with Kabir because he had said that he was the child of Allah and Ram. ये सुनते ही मुस्लिम्स और हिंदूज को गुस्सा आया एंड वो कबीर को किंग के पास लेकर चले गए. The next question is, what happened when king's soldiers put Kabir in a hut? When king's soldiers put Kabir in a hut and set fire to it, the hut burnt down but Kabir was safe. So ये शो करता है कबीर की भक्ति को. He preached God so honestly कि ऐसा miracle हुआ which saved Kabir. Moving on to the next question, whose voice did Hindus and Muslims hear from the sky? The Hindus and Muslims heard Kabir's voice from the sky saying, "Take the sheets off my body." ये तब हुआ था when Kabir was no more and Hindus and Muslims जो हैं फाइट कर रहे थे whether to burn the body जैसे हिंदूज करते हैं और bury the body जैसे मुस्लिम्स करते हैं. तो उन्हें आसमान से आवाज़ आई कि take the sheets off my body. Last comprehension question is, what did the Hindus and Muslims find when they took the cover of Kabir's body? The people found some flowers when they took the covers of Kabir's body. जब लोगों ने शीट्स उठाई उनकी बॉडी से तो उन्हें फ्लावर्स मिले, फूल मिले, और हिंदूज और मुस्लिम्स ने वो अपना हाफ कर लिए ताकि कबीर की ब्लेसिंग्स दोनों कम्युनिटीज़ को मिले. Another language practice question is, choose the correct preposition to fill in the blanks. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें 2 ऑप्शंस दी हुई हैं and we have to choose which preposition fits right. So the first part is, distribute sweets between two brothers. We have chosen between from the 2 words because between जो है it is used for 2 people or things. The next part is, the principal distributed the prizes among students. We have chosen among because it is used for more than 2 people or things. The next part is, Rakesh was sitting beside me. The difference between beside and besides is that beside means at the side of, मतलब राकेश मेरे साइड में बैठा था. The last part is, he read novels besides the textbooks. So besides that means that in addition to, मतलब वो टेक्स्ट बुक्स भी पढ़ता है और उसके साथ साथ नॉवेल्स भी पढ़ता है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चंस एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिलेटेड टू देम.